My name's Mike Garrow. I'm the Vice President of Operations. We have people that are involved earlier in the process, so they'll be involved in design and the architecture of our solutions. Then we have people that'll actually pick that up and handle the procurement of all the gear and making sure we get it where it needs to go at any point in time. Then we have teams of folks that will be responsible for actually deploying the gear in the data center, so sort of the rack and stack part, the cabling and everything else. And then we have our system administration team who will then pick up from there when we start powering up servers to then actually go and make sure those are configured and the tests are run and we get everything essentially ready to hand off to a customer. Then at that point, it falls into the hands of both the system administrators and our data center techs on site to keep things up and running all the time. When it comes to building out a team, from my perspective, it's super important. It's not just about the technology skill set. It's also about the people. We look to hire people that are a good fit to our team mentality, to our culture. We always want team players. We want people who are independent to some extent, curious, and willing to satisfy that curiosity, because that's a great way for people to be able to keep up with the technologies as they are evolving.